Map busting definition to report properties. Map busting definition to report properties. How to map. So this is the busting definition name, and we need to map this into report properties. So how to map? Go to the edit. Properties. So here enable busting. So this is the busting definition name. So this is the busting definition name. Click on OK. Save the changes. Now go to the catalog. Okay. So final step is we need to run the busting. So more schedule. So we have prepared the busting in the data model. The data model busting we have mapped into the report level. So how to map? Click on edit. Here default properties. So this enable busting should be checked. Okay. Now go to the catalog. Go to the catalog. Go to the more and schedule. Here one important thing I want to explain is. So here if you want to pass the parameter leave supplies. On schedule. Okay. So now go to the output. So this checkbox is there now. Use busting definition to determine the output and delivery destinations. So whatever the busting query we have used, based on that only the output should be delivered. That is the meaning this one. So whatever you have defined the busting definition, so that we have mapped in the report level. So what it is telling that. So whatever the busting definition you have configured in the busting query, so based on that only the output will be sent. In case if you uncheck this one, I want to send complete output. I want to send complete output. Then you can use the email add destination. You can mention. Here you can mention the details. To email ID, CC, reply to subject, message like that here. Complete output. No, there is no split by and deliver by. So if you want to have split by and deliver by, you need to check this checkbox. So you may ask question why we have not checked, right? Why this has been checked? Because in the report properties level, we have checked that enable busting. That is the reason it has been checked here. Okay. So if you don't want the busting, then uncheck here, then mention complete email FTP or content server. Understand, right? So because our requirement is so requisition number wise we want to split the data. Requisition number wise we want to split the data and send to the respective delivery email ID. So that is the reason we are using busting definition. Schedule. So here if you want to schedule here, for example, I want to schedule every day, every hourly, every daily, weekly, monthly, annually, specific dates. So when you want to run this schedule, So when you want to run the schedule, so that will be taken care by schedule. So based on the client requirements, sometime client will say daily. So when daily morning 8 a.m. So end when you want to end every one day, every weekly. So weekly means so when you want to send only weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So like that. Hourly. So so every hour I want to send it. So like that we have options are there. But currently now what I'm doing, I'm using run now. I don't want to schedule. Hmm? Notification. So when the busting has been completed, so I want to send report completed. Hmm? So when the report completed, I want to send one of the company email ID. So that email I want to send. In the report file also, I want to send that email. Okay. So for example, the busting has been failed. So I want to trace out what is the error coming. Then we can do the diagnostics. So currently I'm not using this one. So only I use these three sections. Submit. Yeah. Two email address is not specified. Two email address is not specified. Two email. Comma, channel. Not specified. Missed comma. String very correct only. Test busting. Test busting. Click on OK. So the busting successfully submitted. So guys, you check now. You check now whether you got the email ID or not, whether you got the emails or not. If you want to check whether you got the emails or not, you go to the history. So it is success. So did you got the email or not? So it is showing.
Yes, sir, I got the mails.
So maybe you got the multiple mails, right?
Yes, sir, multiple mails, sir.
Yeah. So like acquisition number wise, the data has fitted, and acquisition number wise. So we are sending the data.
Nearly 7 files I got, sir, in this.
Okay. I think you will get some more. There are many acquisitions there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Email busting, guys. So you also try and practice, guys, with different examples. So I have shown one of the example for the acquisition supplier. So I will tell you one more important feature in the Fusion, that is for file repository. So this is email busting I have done. So I wanted to explain one more thing, file repository. Fusion. File repository for Oracle Fusion. So if you see this, contents, just copy the URL of the cloud and go to the next one and append with the CS. CS means content server. So this is one of the file repository for the Oracle Fusion. For example, I have a BIP report here. So that BIP report, the output I want to send to here. From here, from here, the output third-party system will be take the file from here. Okay, so but technical consultant responsibility is to send the file from BIP report. From the BIP report, I want to send to the web center content. And from here, integration team or third-party system, other third-party system will take the file and they will do their validations for that data. Okay, but our responsibility is to send the file to here. Same way, how we have sent the file, how we have sent the file to email, right? How we have sent the file to email, right? Same way, client is asking. So whatever the data there in the report, so that report output should be sent to the web center content. So why you want to send the web center content? Because integration team is there. So there is another team is there. So that team wants to that file. That file they will do some logic, something they want to do that for that file. So for that purpose only, they want the file in the web center content. So our technical job is to send the file, whatever the report you are working, that report should be sent to the web center content. Understand or not? So how you open this web center content? Copy this path, paste here, CS, content server. This search. Understand, right? Anything you want to ask? So email busting I have done, but web center content busting I am showing you. So web center content busting. So what is the meaning of web center content? This is the file repository for the Oracle Fusion. So I want to send my report output file to third-party system or any other application. So first we need to send here. From here, integration team or some other team will be pick up the file and send to their some other system. but our responsibility is to send the file to Web Center content. So in interview also they will ask how you can send the BIP report output to the Web Center content. So you can say that through busting. Through busting we can send it. So any question you can ask. So you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. Okay. So I will prepare the simple report for this example. I will prepare the simple report for this. Busting configuration, someone is asking to show once again. First, we need to prepare the busting definition. First, we need to prepare the busting definition. So in the busting definition, we have a name of the busting, type should be SQL query, data source should be this one. And we need to mention the split by and deliver by. So what do you mean by split by and deliver by? Yesterday I have explained 3 or 4 examples how the split by and deliver by will work. So in the busting query, we have 2 sections are there. First section, we need to mention the appropriate values, and second section based on the busting delivery channel. And from section why we are using, because we need to get the requisition number. We need to get the reference, right? So for that purpose only we have the requisition number as the key. So after you done all the setup here, then what you will do here, you need to go to the catalog. Go to the properties. Sorry, not here. Go to edit. Properties. So there is an option called enable busting. Okay. Now what you will do, go to the catalog. More 15. And the configuration is you need to mention the parameter names, output. This will be checked, and schedule, run now, test. So till now, any question?
Huh?
Yeah.
If I want to send a complete file, then there is no need to bust.
No need to prepare the busting. There we have a
Directly schedule, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Sir, in interview they will ask like this procedure, sir.
They will ask the steps. What is the purpose of split by? What is the purpose of delivery by? And what is the key name? How?
Key name, like that they will ask, but they won't ask a complete procedure, right?
Complete?
Procedure means busting process.
They will ask the steps. Steps means first we need to prepare the main query, then create the report. Okay. Then after that we need to prepare the busting definition. We need to prepare the busting query, then map the busting definition into report properties. Then after that, if they ask anything, ask the split by and deliver by. So those things also you need to tell.
Okay.
Oh. So I already after that I explained about the file repository for the Oracle Fusion. So how to open the file repository? So that one, copy this one. Steps are important. Yes. So this file repository we can use for inbound and outbound operations. So inbound means to push the data into Oracle Fusion. Outbound means to get the data from the Oracle Fusion and send to the third-party system. That is called push and send. Push means to store the data. Send means to send the data to third-party system. Send the data to other system, other applications. That is the meaning. Understand? So I am going to prepare simple requirement for the web center content. Select invoice details, invoice number, invoice date, invoice number. AP invoice. Where? So just for your understanding purpose only, I am using only 5 records. So in the previous example, requisition number, you have large amount of data is there, right? So that is the reason you have little confusion on that. But I am taking only simple data so that you will get the clarity. Unit data model.
In lookup code, invoice spelling is works.
Which one?
In lookup code, invoice
Invoice type lookup code.
spelling is mistake.
Spelling mistake.
Invoice.
Okay.
There is O after N.
Okay. So now what we will do? Noise type lookup code is number. Comma missing. Even though comma missed, but it is not giving error, right? Okay. So invoice type standard is there. So now what we will do? We will use the invoice type as a split by, invoice type as a delivered by. So now how many times split will be happen? How many times delivered by? In this example, that time last time we have taken the requisition number, right? So this time we will take the invoice type lookup code and the split by and delivered by.
One
So
time
then-
or one files?
Okay, one time, one file. One time, one file. How many records?
That's
4 records.
4 records.
5
Four
records.
Four
4
in all.
records.
4 is
Four. 4 records. Correct answer. Correct answer. Okay. Now save the changes. Noise. Web center content. Data model. So any name you can give. Save the changes.
Oh.
So data model preparation is done. So the RTF template. So can we use the export, or you can use the guide me option? We can create the RTF template or normal, like manual. We need to create, or can we go for the normal approach or guide me approach?
Normal approach.
Normal approach. Right? Okay. So now what do we do? Export. So guide me option, basically it will complete quickly. Noise information. Right. Same as RTF. Noise WCC RTF.
This is template name or RTF template?
This is the RTF name. This RTF we need to upload as a template.
Template name is manually created or automatically?
Template name we need to create now. I will show you that. Huh? So this is RTF name, file name I can say. So this file name we are not using anywhere. So this file we have to upload as the RTF template. I will tell you now. Huh? So now what you will do? You are asking template name, right? So that it will come here. Go to the create report. Create report. So use report editor. Click on finish. So this is the report name. WCC market. So this is the template name. So now if you click the upload, layout name or template, see upload the template file. Okay. Template name, this one, invoice, template or layout, anything you layout. So whatever the template file you have prepared, right? That file you have to upload. Nice. Sorry, not this. Type should be RTF. So this is the template name. For this template name, we are uploading this file, which I have created just now. Got it, no? So after you upload the template, if you want to know the template name, so save view list. So this is the template name.
Sir,
So now-
look at the layouts, sir. Above
Huh?
layouts above heading.
Layout is there, but we are uploading here. If you layout or template both are same.
Okay, sir.
Invoice WCC. See template name, template file, template name, template file. See, I am telling the template or layout name both are the same. Now view the report. Sorry. View the report. Like this. So with this, we have completed the only report, but busting we have not done. So busting we will see tomorrow class for the WCC.